Hi, I'm Manohar. I'm doing this video as a review for arc suspensions which I've installed in my Verna Fluidic car. To talk about the car, Verna Fluidic is a very great car which comes with a power packed engine which can deliver 123 bhp of horsepower. The only problem with the car I face is the ground clearance. When the car is fully loaded, and it easily bottoms out even in the roads with normal potholes. We need to be very cautious while driving on such road conditions. Moreover, my native is Ballari, which is meant for iron ore, so the road conditions obviously it's very pathetic here. So I was once thinking about to change the car, which to change for a car which has a high ground clearance, like going for any compact SUV. But only thing is I love this car very much because it's my dad's gift and it's my dad memory. So I have returned this car, and which is almost completed 9 years of ownership. So in such conditions, I was looking for in a way which I can increase the ground clearance of my car. So I was thinking about, I was just went on googling, and I found so many things like spacers, placing and rubbers in between the spring coils. Yes, but I just got to know that they have some side effects on the car. I was looking for some permanent solutions, and ultimately I found this arc suspensions. And regarding this, I called Rahul Power. I've seen so many videos, and so many have put a positive note on the YouTube. So I called the Rahul Power, and I explained my problem which I'm facing with my car. He told it's not about the ground clearance, whatever the R suspensions is going to provide. It's not about increasing the ground clearance, but it's about like stability of the car. It's about the ride quality. It's about the comfort, and it's about the uh, braking distance. It's about the steering responses. Then I was just thinking, should I go with this arc suspensions, because anyway it is not going to increase the ground clearance. I was in the dilemma whether to go or not. The Rahul, he just explained, if these problems get solved in your car, then you won't face any such driving problem. Means like you don't need to be very cautious while driving on the roads with the normal potholes. The car easily glides on without any much shocks will be sent inside the car. It means he was talking about the suspension, how they are good at absorbing the shocks comparing to the stock suspensions which are provided with the car. So then I asked Rahul for like phone numbers of few customers who have already installed these R suspensions in Verna Fluidic car. He shared me few contacts, and I just called each and every person. Everyone was giving the positive response only. So I was thinking to go for, actually I was thinking to go for only the rear suspensions, but after talking with all these customers, I went with both rear and front. And regarding that pricing, yes, of course, these suspensions cost about 32,500, uh, which is the cost is bit higher. And the same thing I discussed with Rahul as well. And Rahul just said the kind of the sort of value they are providing with that pricing contest, you cannot compare with the stock suspensions. So I was okay, let's go and try. We'll see how it is going to change my driving experience with the car. Anyhow, because I want to retain this car as it's my dad's gift. So I ordered it, and it almost took the 5 days to reach me. They sent it through the courier. And the only thing is, like, I was planning for a long tour, and I desperately wanted to get installed in my car and then go for the trip. So my schedule was so tight, and the moment the suspensions came, I wanted to get it installed and to go on the very next day for the long trip. uh, but one problem happened is like when I ordered it, when I got those suspensions, when I opened it, it was wrong specs, and I was frustrated. After waiting for the 5 long days, and I had to install the suspension. I had to go on the very next day a long trip. It was about 10 days trip. So then I was disappointed, and I called the Rahul, and the Rahul arranged a call back from the chairman of that company, Deepak sir. And Deepak sir called me, and he was very sorry for what happened, and he was telling that how could he help me in the best possible way that it can reach. I explained my situation, I explained my schedule and everything, and he was very sorry, and he said this is the first time the incident happened due to the human error. And I was thinking of whether means we both were working out how fastest way that suspensions can reach me. And so I was checking some buses which are coming, means as my native has a good connectivity. So there are so many buses are flying, private travels are flying from Mumbai to my native, which comes via Kolhapur only. As this factory is located somewhere near the 30 kilometers from the Kolhapur, I just informed him about the travels. There were 2 buses which were coming. Due to Corona, there are some buses were cancelled. There were only 2 buses which were coming from the Pune. I just provided that travels details to the Deepak, and Deepak sir arranged uh, uh, his uh, uh, his colleagues to go and deliver these arc suspensions to the private buses, private travels, which is going to be reach the Kolhapur around uh, 1 a.m. in the night, I think. So he took so much of efforts. He ensured that the customers to have a smile on their face. So in the midnight, in almost like 1 a.m., he has sent his employee in order to deliver this package. So on the very next day morning, I got this arc suspensions, and I have installed it and went for the long this for the as scheduled by the long trip. Regarding this arc suspensions, yeah. See, I got I got a good opportunity to drive in the various road conditions. See, I drove in. I went from my native to Goa. In the Goa, I went through the I passed by the Anmod Ghat. I was able to drive the car even in the Ghat conditions at the speed of 60 to 70 without any body roll. That was the confidence the R suspensions were providing to me. I really felt very happy. Earlier to that, I was not able, I couldn't even drive even at the 40-50. I feel like the car is going for a toss. So now with these suspensions, I'm very happy that they are able to maintain that stability of the car even at cornering in the guards also. Even on the highways, it was like I was my cousin was driving on the highways. It was he was easily able to switch the lane even at the 100 and 120 kmph. Earlier it was like to switch the lane at 120 130 plus in Verna is you will not feel that confident. So I thought and I was just observing the way my cousin was driving, and I saw that he was aram se he was doing switching the lanes at even 100 120 plus speed. And even I got an opportunity to drive in the road conditions which are very pathetic, and the car was just gliding. You feel that you'll drive it very confident, and you no need to be very cautious on these road conditions. The stability is improved, and the cars there is no much body roll, and the ride quality is improved, and there is a better steering response, and even the braking distance also. And you will be like a very delighted customer once you install it, and once you will experience it once after installing this suspensions in your Verna Fluidic car. And I'm very much thankful for the ARC Industries, especially Deepak sir. Even though uh, he arranged to deliver the correct specs within just within one night itself. I was able to install it as per my plans, and I went for that. That made it possible for me to go on that long trip without any glitch in the schedule. So I'm happy. I'm delighted to be a part of this arc suspension also. There was one instance when I went to uh, Hyundai showroom to change the my link rods. At that moment, the technician was able to find out that my suspensions was not stock suspensions from Hyundai, and then he was asking about all the suspension as it were in different colors also. Then when I mentioned, I explained all this regarding the suspensions, and also he did ask about the price, and he was shocked to hear that it was priced bit higher end, but uh, after installing the link rods, he took a test drive, and he was like amazed with the kind of the responses, like ride quality and steering responses. He just said, sir, whatever, till now I haven't seen this kind of suspensions in any of the Hyundai cars. And he said, whatever, it is definitely a value for money. So if you are thinking to sell your Verna Fluidic car due to bad suspension, then give a thought about arc suspension. Install it and experience the change in your car. Thank you.